Hi there, welcome to COVID-19 Fast Facts. I'm Jeremy, and we're going to be talking about some basic biology. So right off the bat, coronavirus is a virus. It's in its name, but more specifically, it is an RNA virus. What this means is there's going to be a single strand of RNA inside of the virus. Now, this differs from the cousin of a virus, the DNA virus. The only difference is inside of it, it's either RNA or DNA. In this case, COVID-19 is an RNA virus, so right inside of it there is a strand of RNA. Now, right outside of the virus, there's going to be these structures called proteins. Now, proteins are the founding molecule to do stuff. These do make up muscles. But right here, what they are they're basically keys. So as you can tell, they're all different sizes. And what the virus is going to use these keys for is they're going to try and have a key that matches the receptors on your cell. So off of every single one of your cells, there's going to be these things that are receptors, and they're basically keyholes. And if this virus has the key, the protein that is shaped perfectly to fit into the keyhole, your cell is going to take the virus in. All right, so once that virus is in, it'll look something like this. This is a picture from an electron microscope of COVID-19. And this structure right here, this is called the Golgi Apparatus. This is the first place that the COVID-19 virus is going to attack. And then after it does, we see that these vesicles contain COVID-19 in them. Now, here's a breakdown of the Golgi apparatus. So this is kind of a picture of it, but remember, this is the real life. This is what it looks like in real life. This is just a picture of it. Now, the Golgi apparatus, its main function is to transport, package, and modify proteins and lipids. So remember, proteins, these are basically just the building blocks that do stuff. These are the keys outside of the virus. Now, the lipids are just fat. Sometimes this is energy storage or hormones. Now, these things are called vesicles. What you can picture in your head is an Amazon package. The stuff that's inside the package is going to be the proteins and the lipids, and then the package itself is the vesicle. So these things inside of them are proteins and lipids, basically what the cell wants to go and transport away. And if coronavirus is in here, then inside of these vesicles are going to be hundreds and hundreds of coronavirus viruses. So, all right, so now we're going to go to the blackboard, and we're going to talk about how this virus exits a cell. Now, exocytosis is a really fancy term of just secretion of the cell secreting stuff. So what this means is basically the cell, this is inside the cell, and here is the vesicle containing COVID-19, the virus inside of it. And what's happening here is the vesicle is going to move closer and closer outside, and it's going to touch the outer cell membrane, and then it's going to merge in. Because it's built out of the same material, it's going to go and merge in with the cell membrane. And then, as you can see in this photo, it's actually, the virus is then going to be released outside because the vesicle opened up, merged in with the cell membrane, and now the vesicle, it's fused with the cell membrane, but the virus inside of that vesicle is now released outside of the cell. So that's how coronavirus gets into the cell, where it goes inside of the cell, and then how it gets released. And we are now going to go back to our presentation, and that's basically the basic biology of it. Here is the works cited. Always important to keep this. And if you like videos like this, remember to check us out at our website. Contact us if you have any ideas, and if you have any questions about this presentation or would like to suggest some other ideas that you want us to cover, leave them down in the comment section. Other than that, take care and thank you guys for watching.